Right, so I'm just going to make this quick video. This is the Hive Mini, the new version, or the latest version. I keep getting messages asking if you can control the hot water temperature. Now, this kit is for a combi boiler, so that I can control your heating and your hot water. Now, you can't directly set on here by tapping this the exact temperature of the water that you want. That's done by your boiler. You can set that in your boiler. All this will do is it'll activate the heating. So when you call for heat, you want to heat your room to 24 degrees. This box is connected to your combi boiler. So say it's 24, say you want to just crank it up to 24. Your target's 24. It'll activate this, which will activate your boiler, and it will start heating. Okay, when you turn your tap on, or you're having a bath, or you're having a shower for your hot water, your boiler will automatically heat that. So, you can't use the Hive Mini to literally control the heat temperature of your hot water. No. But like I said in my other videos, if you've got a different system, like a boiler on the wall with a hot water tank, it's a completely different ball game, because you need to get the 2-channel. And if it's zoned as well, you can have 3 zones of heating. And yes, you can individually control the hot water on and off, but even then you still can't control the actual temperature range of the hot water. That's done by your thermostat that's in your hot water tank. But they're easy to set up. The kits are easy to set up. I must stress, if you're having to look through loads and loads and loads of videos on YouTube, and you're not sure, you've got a doubt in your mind how to set these up, then just get somebody in to do it. 100 quid, they'll come in and do it. But they are fairly simple. They are fairly simple to do. They're a little bit easier on the combi boilers than they are on the system boilers. But like I say, if you're not 100% sure, just get a Sparky in. It shouldn't take them long, as long as it's all straightforward, and I'll get it up and running. But they're definitely worth it. They're definitely worth the kits, because if you've already got the existing one, you can buy the new one and upgrade it, or you can even use this with this in different rooms. So if that's in your living room and you're upstairs and you know you're going to be downstairs and you haven't got the app, that's what I'm trying to say. If you've got the app, then you can always just do it on your phone. But you can take that, and that, whatever you set that to, will sync with this one, and then vice versa. Whatever you set this to will be synced with that. But that's only for if you the heating. But yeah, Hive heating. It is actually